Hello my bacha party, how are you? Manan Soni welcomes you all of you in today's mathematics class. Guys, generally कोई भी स्टूडेंट एक कॉमन कंप्लेन करता है कि सर whenever I want to try this sum, I cannot memorize my past or my previous topic regarding addition and subtraction of fraction. मैंने ऑलरेडी इसके रिगार्डिंग एक शॉर्ट वीडियो मीन्स वन ऑफ द शॉर्ट यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स मैंने अपलोड किया हुआ है, जहां पर आप 1 मिनट में सीख सकते हैं शॉर्टकट मेथड ऑफ एडिशन ऑफ फ्रैक्शन. बट नाउ टुडे now I will explain and compare two methods of addition and subtraction. Means first of all I will discuss only addition method. You can see here I wrote same sum 2 times. First I will explain you shortcut method and then I will explain you traditional method which is generally used in all of the schools. So now if you are in standard 5, 6 or 7, then you can do as per your teacher's instruction, but generally longer method is applicable and shortcut is used in your upper standards when you want to save your timing of calculation. So now you can see this method is generally called as butterfly method. Why butterfly? Or it is also called as short means cross multiplication method. Multiply 7 with 5, 3 with 4 and then multiply both denominators. So I will get 7 5s are 35 plus 4 3s are 12 and 7 3s are 21. Now you can see here I will add these two numbers 5 plus 2 7 and 3 plus 1 answer is 47 and denominator will remain as it is and that is 47 upon 21. Now I already uploaded a video. If numerator is bigger, the fraction is called as improper and we can convert improper into the mixed fraction. Now in that video I explained you one manual method of division, but now today I suggest you one of the shortcut method. If you can get, please try it. First of all, we know that denominator never change whether it is improper fraction or a mixed fraction. So write down 21 as it is and now we have to speak table of 21. The answer must not be exceed than 47. 21 ones are 21, 22 twos are 42 and 21 threes are 63. So it becomes larger, bigger than 47. So now I will take 21 twos are. Now this is your first time calculation, so you have to do some rough work. Otherwise once you will be perfect in this practice, then I know you can give answer within 5 to 10 seconds. Like 21 twos are, answer is 42. Now you have to think like that. See, I am explaining you thinking process, thought process. Means अगर हमें 42 में से आंसर 47 लाना है, मीन्स इफ आई वॉन्ट टू गेट 47, देन इन 42 which number I should add? You can, if you are not able to give direct answer, you can count fingers also, so that is also easy. Now 43, 44, 45, 46 and 47 means if I add 5 more, then I can get 47. So now I will write 5 here. See, when I explain you, it took about 1 minute, but I know if you will do self practice, you will be able to give this answer without doing division within 10 seconds. So if you got this answer, now I will give one little task. Okay, now you can see I gave you one another example of this kind. Here numerator is 22, which is bigger than denominator 5. So now try to do this sum without doing division. Write down 5 as it is. Now you have to speak table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, and 5 5s are 25. 25 becomes bigger. So now we will step down. I will not take 5 5s are, I will choose 5 4s are. 5 4s are, yes, correct, 20. And now which number I should add in 20 to get 22? Can you give me answer? Yes, bacha. Okay, now your answer is 4 whole 2 upon 5. So I hope you got this shortest and simplest method of addition. Now here I will explain you another method. When I was a primary student, our teacher also applied this method, and it is main method, typical method. But if you are in upper standard, you can save your time by using this method. Now what should we do here? First of all, see, you must know about factors, means prime factors. So prime numbers and composite numbers, that is very basic point. And please students, if you still don't know about prime numbers and composite, you can see and do preparation of standard 5 textbook. Now you can see, actually this is very perfect method. You have to make both fractions a like fraction, means we cannot add any fractions whose denominators are different. If you want to add them or subtract them, first of all we have to make both denominators like, equal, and that type of fractions are called as like fractions. I already explained in a video, you can check it and learn it. Now see, you can get LCM by this method, and now I will explain you some shortcut methods. See, if given denominators are prime numbers, then LCM of two numbers will be product of given numbers, means 3 is a prime number, 7 is also a prime number, so its LCM will be 21. It is product of 3 and 7. Okay, if you want to check it, we have to cross check here. 3 1s are 3, 7 write down as it is, 1 as it is, and 7 1s are 7. Now multiply these both number, you will get same LCM. So now you have to remember the simplest law. If denominator numbers are prime numbers, what is the LCM? Okay, correct. The LCM is product of given denominator numbers. Now I will explain you one another point. See, for example, suppose you are given 2 by 3 plus 7 by 6. Then you can see here smaller denominator is 3 and bigger denominator is 6. Now it is another kind of shortcut law regarding LCM. If smaller number is one of the factor of bigger number, here 3 is smaller denominator, 6 is bigger denominator, and 3 is one of the factor of 6. How? Because 3 2s are 6. Then the bigger number will be LCM, means least common multiple for given sum is 6. Please repeat this video part again and again, you can easily get the point. I will change another denominator. For example, 5 is given, 15 is given. Now can you compare and give me answer? Please try. Now you can see, sir, here smaller number is 5. That is factor of bigger number. Bigger number is 15. So LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. So I hope you get this idea properly, and now I will finish this sum by our manual method. See, first of all, whenever you do manual method, in next step I will write my given fractions with longer line, means 5 by 3 plus 4 by 7. Now we have to make both denominators equal. So 3 7s are 21. Here 7 3s are 21. Now you have to remember one thing, the number which we multiply with denominator, same number I should multiply with numerator. Here I multiplied 3, so in numerator also I will multiply by 3. मीन्स इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ, मैं जनरली जब भी ये टॉपिक बच्चों को पढ़ाता हूं मैं बोलता हूं कि अगर दो ब्रदर्स है या दो सिस्टर, ब्रदर सिस्टर, कोई भी एक बच्चे को अगर मैंने 7 चॉकलेट्स दी तो दूसरे को भी मुझे कितनी चॉकलेट्स देनी पड़ेगी? 7, अदरवाइज वो तो रूठ जाएगा। मैंने न्यूमरेटर को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर और न्यूमरेटर दोनों को मुझे सेम नंबर से ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है, अदरवाइज वो रूठ जाएगा, और अगर ये सम रूठ जाएगा तो आपके मार्क्स कट जाएंगे। Am I right? Now you can see 7 5s are 35, 3 7s are 21 plus 4 3s are 12 and 7 3s are again 21. Now both fractions become like fractions, and now we can add them. 35 plus 21 upon, sorry it was by mistake sorry, it is actually 12. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, ये देखिए हमसे भी गलती हो जाती है, हम भी बच्चे हैं, हमारे पेरेंट्स के बच्चे हैं। ओके, नाउ यू कैन सी, तो यहां पर now I will add 35 and 12. We already did this addition, so I will write 47 upon 21, and rest of the story you know, we have to convert improper fraction into the mixed fraction using same method, and you will get your answer 2 integer or 2 whole 5 by 21. So guys, now I already uploaded a short YouTube shorts of this kind of short addition method. Now some students requested me, sir, please upload comparison video of shortcut method and this one manual method, so many students can get idea why shortcut method is so much useful in your upper standard calculation. Even it is very useful in our routine life also. So now you can see, you can compare both methods, and you have to write as per your teacher's requirement. Okay, now you can see here in my given question, one is mixed fraction and another number is actually proper fraction. So first of all, what should we do? Whenever mixed fraction is given, convert it into improper fraction, like 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7 upon 3 minus 5 upon 6, that will be as it is. Now here choice is yours, you can apply manual method using LCM, or you can do cross multiplication method, that is shortcut method. Now here I will take cross multiplication method, multiply these two numbers, you will get 42, 7 6 are, minus multiply another two numbers, 5 3s are 15, and then multiply both of the denominators, so 6 3s are 18. Now you can subtract 42 and 15 and then you will get answer 27. 27 upon 18. So actually this is your answer. But now sometimes we have to check that can we cut more factors from given numerator and denominators? And I already explained you in our previous video. If you did not watch, please watch it. We have to convert given fraction into simplest form if possible. If it is not possible, how can we convert it? Okay, but here I can see I can convert, because I can convert like 9 3s are 27, and here I can write 9 2s are 18. Now we can cut 9, so we will write remaining values. Remaining values are 3 numerator, 2 denominator, and now I can express one more step, because numerator is bigger, so convert into mixed fraction. So I will write by shortcut method 2 1s are 2, and I add 1 to get 3. Repeating again, 2 1s are 2 and add 1 to get your numerator. So finally this one is your answer. Okay, now I give another example. You will see little bit different thing in this sum. So let us explain. First of all, sir, which method I should apply? You can take any method. I already inform you. Manual method using LCM or cross multiplication method. Let me take cross multiplication. 15 1s are 15, 12 5s are 60 upon multiplication of given two numbers. Now you can check here. I have to multiply 12 and 15. Please do some little rough work, and I know answer is actually 180. Okay, if you are not capable to give direct answer, please, if you are in lower standard, please do carefully. Your calculation must be done carefully. So multiplication answer, now I can see it is 180. So what should I do now? First of all, you can check denominator will be 180 as it is. Now here is little bit garbad. Why garbad? Means, sir, I cannot subtract 15 minus 60. Okay, so let me clear you. If you are watching, means if you are in lower standard and watching this video, then you cannot give answer of 15 minus 60. But I know from your upper standard, from after 6th standard, there is another chapter for you, and that is integer. Integer are three types: positive integers, zero, and negative integers. So whenever you have to do this type of subtraction, means you can get answer. So sir, 60 minus 15, answer is actually 45, but you have to write bigger number sign, and that is actually negative answer. So that is negative integer. Negative integer is 45, and you can see if you do normal subtraction, you will get positive answer. If you do smaller number minus bigger number, then your answer will be negative. So don't worry if you are in lower standard. Right now you have to just simple idea about negative integers. Now I can check, sir, how can I cut these numbers? Is it possible? Yes. First of all, you can check divisibility law of 5. Here this number has 5 and this number has 0. So all important divisibility laws are given in standard 5 textbook. Please refer and try to understand perfectly. So here I can cut like this: 9 5s are 45, and here you can see, sir, 9 2s are 18, and this 0 I will put here and cut 9 9, Now I can see from 5 and 20 I can cut another factors, that is 5 4 So you can extend your line and write down like this also, 5 5 cut. Now numerator has not a single number, so whenever all numerator numbers are cut, don't worry, 1 will be there. Why? Because 5 ones are 5. If you cut 5 5, then 1 is remaining in your numerator and the denominator is actually 4. Now you can see there is a negative sign here, so I will write little bit accurately, 9 5 these 9 were cut, 5 were also cut, okay, and now I will put negative sign. So whenever I write my answer, never forget to write your sign. So I hope today you got proper idea of addition and subtraction of the fraction. Bye. Take care. Jai Mahakal.